Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Welcome back sa isang panibagong video. At ngayon maglalaro tayo ng Baby in Yellow. At ngayon ay Act 4 na. Last video is Act 3. Pero wala akong webcam doon. So dito may webcam ako. So yeah, let's start this new act. Ito ay The Service the Crown. Act 4 na tayo. And yeah, let's see what's new. Okay. Alright. Oh. Woohoo! Ang ganda ng graphics as always.
Hello and congratulations. Your application has been successful. And we're very pleased to welcome you to the Crown Childcare family.
Parang siyang puppy playtime. Guys, I never played the whole talaga sa puppy playtime. Kung alam niyo yung puppy playtime, wala ko siya nalaro. Nalaro ko lang yung chapter 1. Chapter 2, wala. Wow.
Let's get started.
Ganda ng game. Ganda talaga ng graphics.
We encourage you to read each section carefully before starting.
Okay. Alright. Anong gawin natin? Care Hatch. Crown Childcare. Looking after little monsters since 1895. Okay. Crown Childcare. Progress chart. Okay. Can open book. Okay. Sorry pag nakikita yung kamay ko, guys, is actually yung camera nandiyan lang kasi sa tabi ng Alright, ano gawin natin? Turn on. Okay. Fixing box, condition roots, sincere. There text. Ano yan? Employee 225. Ano to? What is this? Anong password? Anong password? 1890. Bullshit. Yung year lang pala. Year ng kailan ng gagi. 1895. Yay! Email. It's your first day. Okay. It's your first day, dear potential employee. We can't wait for you to join our growing family. There are so many exciting opportunities ahead. Before we begin, please read carefully and read the contract. Once you sign, we can start our journey. Crown Childcare. Uy! Oh. Okay. Nag-glitch yung printer. Email. Okay. Okay, wala na. Okay na. Parang ko i-off yung computer. Baka maubos yung energy ng computer eh. Yeah, sleep muna tayo. Okay guys, sign your contract. Okay, kaya na ba natin ng contract? No? Hala. Obvious na to na parang nagsasign tayo of something about contract na hindi na tayo makakaalis forever. Hindi tayo makakaalis. Place your contract to the ano to? Ano may nito? Okay. Take the employee card. Sorry guys, I'm really sorry. Alright, let's go. Do this, let's go. Let's get in. Insert the card. Baby, hello. I'm back. Childcare. Feed him. Play with him. Keep him smiling. Performance will be monitored. Employee contract page 4. Okay. Hello.
The primary role at Crown Childcare is his happiness and well-being. You can start with some light entertainment. Toys being provided.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Wee! Woohoo! Woohoo! Ay, sorry. Oy. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Okay, anong gawin natin sa'yo? Anong ilalaro natin ngayon, baby? Mukha niya guys, nag-iba. You know, like, as in. Mas cuter pa siya, pero may line, mas ano pa siya, more detailed. Anong gawin natin, baby? Anong ilalaro natin? Ano to dito? Sorry.
Entertainment has its place.
Okay.
But its growth is essential.
Alright.
Take him upstairs to be fed, then
Upstairs?
back downstairs to change him.
Okay. Upstairs. Time for feeding time, baby. Feeding time. Tulog ka na lang daw, wag na magkain. Put the baby. Alright. Okay. Ito di ba yung kitchen nyo? Gusto mo luputuan kita? Sandali lang. Here. Kumain mo. Yay! Changing table. Una ka na. Sorry. Sorry, no? Immortal ka naman eh. Ba't ka mag-iyak? Alright. Ba't siya iiyak? Oh, you know. Trash Nabi.
Daily evaluation
Bitch.
is critical to monitor his progress.
What the frick is this? Ano to? Ano? Danger. Input the correct sequence. Maybe, parang... ano to? Parang may mali dito. Ano? Okay. Red, blue, green, blue, green. Okay. Green, blue, green. Alright. What? Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Sinusunog si baby. No, man, no. Tapos na? Okay. Brains. Ah? May gawa akong mali. Wait, naging parang monster yun. Take him to bed.
He's not quite ready yet.
Ready?
Take him upstairs and tuck him into bed.
No, hindi siya quite ready yet. Ready na nga, natulog na nga. What the heck? I'm quite hindi ready yet. Ano, ready for delivery sa parents? Yan bang sasabi?
An adequate first shift employee 225.
Okay.
You've earned yourself a crown sticker.
Crown sticker!
Reception and clock out.
Yay! Thank you for the crown sticker! Sticker. Lak ng basketball. Oh. Right. Insert the... Okay. Woohoo! Add sticker to the branch. Sorry. Add sticker to the branch progress. Okay. Ito na ba yun? Progress chart. Go home. Okay. Thank you. Maka-go home ako. Tingnan ako TV. What the fuck? Ano nangyari? Ba't ako bumalik? Day 2 na? Okay. Okay, kakin tayo. Find the baby. Baby?
Good morning, employee 225.
Morning.
You'll find him in the naughty corner following
Naughty?
a little incident last night.
Oh.
Let's ease him into the day with some quiet story time.
Baby? Ma'am, yung baby ay parang sobrang galit siya at feeling ko di ako pwede dito. Okay. Yup. Just have to do it then. Baby. Oh, sad siya. Gumawa. Ikaw kasi ba't ang kulit mo? Hindi ka makulit. Be a good boy. Don't be like that. Put him in the flower pillow. Ito na ba? Okay. Okay. Tell kita ng be good story. Okay. Sit down tayo. What?
Still testing boundaries. Interesting.
Testing boundaries. Baby pa nga eh. Di ba sila maka-understand? Okay? Ba't parang galit ka? Anong gusto mo dyan? Alright. Open eh. Oh! Oh! What? What? Oh, baby! Oh my... Baby! Baby, stop! 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 Baby, stop! Baby! Baby, nagkakalat ka na dyan! Baby, stop! Baby! Baby! Agoy! Baby! No! Bad! No! No! Ano ba? Baby! Ano ba? Uy! Bullshit do! Halika daw! Oh! Kagi... Kumakuha! Ha? Ano bang gaw... Baby, gusto mo naman pupunta sa Nati list? Ay, Nati corner? Halika dito! Ano ba?
Is you're trying to do is clearly not working. Maybe try looking for something useful in the storage room.
Storage room? Ito na diba yung storage room? Okay. Picking oil. Ay, baby! Ah, bullshit ka! Okay. Okay. Here! Come on, come on! Come on! Please, halika dito. What? Okay. Kailangan ko siya dito. What the? Nasaan na yun? Gago?
This behavior is promising.
Promising?
Begin evaluation immediately.
Gago. Pinahirapan mo pa yung ano ko. Baka siguro punishment chamber to. Ano yan? Yellow, green. Yellow, green. Sunog na naman siya. Burn! Parang nag-i-enjoy siya talaga sa loob. Nag-i-enjoy lang talaga siya. Ano next? Blue, green. Okay. Blue. Alright. Okay. Bye-bye. Ala galit siya. What is that? Order label?
He's ready.
Ready?
Quickly, take him to reception for processing.
Okay. Ano bang importante talaga to? Nag-rush. Okay. Dispatch the baby order label. Okay. Diyan ka muna. Okay. Email. Childcare. Virtual employee to notify this child has passed evaluation and is ready for placement with loving new parents. Please ensure he's properly labeled. It's apartment 10. Okay. So, mag-deliver pala to sila. Ano? Okay. And okay. Oh, wait lang. Alright. Huwag na mag-joke. Mag-joke. I-deliver natin siya. Sige. Goodbye, baby.
Another child sent out into the world. A truly remarkable. Another so soon.
Ha? Another session? Ano another?
Clean up that mess you made in the playroom. The arrival.
Mess? Di ako. Yung baby yung kasalanan nito. Okay. Okay. Haday. Ah, wow. Wow, kahit ano yung wow. Okay. Woohoo! Diyan pa. Dito pa. Ito rin, kunin din to. Kunin din yan, kunin. Kita, kunin. No, like. Oh no, it's full. Anong gawin? Balik siya dito.
Report to the care hatch. It's time.
It's time? Okay. Ay ko alam anong ginano nila, it's time. Pero siguro bagong baby or like ibang ano na siya. Play the record. What? Lalapit ba dapat ako dito? May monster lalabas. Feeling may monster talaga lalabas dyan. Oh, wait, what? An egg? Open seed.
What a sight to behold.
Same lang man siya.
You try to contain your excitement. Ensure the new arrival is safely tucked into bed before you clock out.
Okay. Same lang man yung baby. Wala namang iba. Kaiba ng baby na to. Ay, sorry.
Another sticker has been earned. Perhaps even deserved.
Okay. Clock out. Okay. Go home. Okay, sana na makauwi naman ako dito.
Hi, it's Edward Stern. Would you be able to send another sitter?
Another sitter.
You sent them last very low. Thank you, bye.
Okay. Nag-send tayo ng isang sitter. Calm, soft-spoken client. Struggle and recall Julian. Yield ready under pressure. And influence. Hazel Sterling. Not a fair challenge. Approach work with a can-do attitude and mind give performance. Stupid, so very very stupid. Now, merong dalawang mga good talaga sila na mga babysitters and everything. Pero kung ako pa, ito dapat i-assign natin. Alright. Okay. Go home. Hindi lang, sleep natin. I guess, should go home then. Uy, makakawin na talaga tayo.
Helps us grow. We'll see you again tomorrow.
Bye-bye. Finally. Guilty. Lock 991. I discovered the source, but it's too dangerous to go alone. Dr. Nicholas Arkham. Sino yan, pero doktor daw. Parang sino yun? Doktor yung sa last video natin.
Nurturing growth every day.
Notching out every day. Clock in to start your shift. Baby, what is this?
Good morning, employee 225. Today we'll be focusing on blocks and building. A simple yet meaningful activity. Even the smallest sapling holds the potential to become a towering tree. But a sapling cannot plant itself. It must be cared for, nurtured, sustained. Pick him up, build with him, grow with him.
Okay. Anong gawin ko dito sa kanya?
It feels like your first shift was only yesterday, yet here we are, your 2-week anniversary. Please enjoy the festive provisions. Can you see the tree?
Enjoy your reward. Gago sa game na to. Mag hard attack. Okay, guess word ko to eh. Oh, apple! Apple. Thank you for the gift. I don't need this. Yummy. Clock in. Draw a pretty picture.
Good morning, 225. Today's activity is painting. Everyone, gather round and watch as 225 demonstrates their incredible artistic skill.
Yes. I'll show you my artistic skill, baby. I-draw kita tayo, makita kung... Okay. Alright, let's go. Draw a pretty picture. First, black. Okay, black tayo. And then, going... hey! And then... Yeah! Okay, kasi. And then... Yeah! And then... Yeah! And then... Yeah! And then... Yeah! Oh! Ulit? Okay naman yun ha! Okay na yan! Ba't ka nagagalit? And then... Yes! Yeah! Ano guys? Ano to? Ano may isang book? Wait lang. Baby, mukhang maganda naman Mukhang maganda naman siya. Anong gusto mo? It's a good painting. Ikaw to. Hero kita. There, din mo. Good, di ba? Yes. What the frick? What the frick? What is that? Ang ganda ng painting ko. Mwah. Ikaw talaga oh. Luyan.
It looks like we have another arrival. Stop what you're doing and report to the care hatch.
Wait, ha? Meron na naman? Prepare for Wait, no way. No way. Bibi, may kasama ka dito, brother. Alam mo, hindi yan safe dyan. Dyan yung maglabas yung seeds, yung ikaw. Baby! What are you doing? Baby! Baby! Baby, mahuhulog ka talaga dyan, promise. Baby! No! Mahulog si baby. Oh, wait.
Another glorious
Bakit dalawa na? Wait, sanali lang. Ikaw na ba yung second? Ikaw naman yung ano daw. Bye. Meron ko sabi sa'yo. Meron ko sabi. Pwede naman mag-work together tayo, no? Yung isa dyan, okay. Okay, dito yan siya. Okay. Baby, ang alam ko lang yung brother mo is like ano ba kayo, triplets? Ano to, ipin-open? Oo nga, no? Alright. Since ikaw nauna sa dito na ano, since hindi ko naman alam kung sino ba nauna dito sa inyo dalawa, pero I guess since ikaw yung nauna, well, oh, okay, here you go. What's gonna... Guys, may dalawang bottle. O, sa'yo yan. So, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I got this.
Fussy eater. Interesting. Take him to the staff.
Asan na si number 1? Ay, naglalaro siya. Okay lang. Huy. Alam ko na nagalit ka na. Siya yung inuna ko. Pero siya kasi yung nauna dito kasi. Pero sanay ko yung inuna ko. Pero yeah, well, namali kasi yung pag ano ko eh. Sorry. Oy! Ikaw, no? Bibihisan pa kita ng pet. Oy! What are you doing? Don't follow me. What are you doing? Semua ano yung kita? Bao! Gago ka. Uy! Stop! Sit him in staff room. Asan ba yung staff room? Oy! No! Oy, staff room. Staff room? Get the baby phone fridge. Fridge. Baby food. Sama. Food must be warm. Okay. May microwave. Ayan. Okay. Hintay ka lang dyan.
Childcare reminds you, do not consume baby food,
Huh?
no matter how tempting it may be.
What? So masarap to. Oh!
You were told, do not eat the baby food. Not shove it all in your greedy little face.
Sorry.
Back in the kitchen and do your job.
Sorry. Ba't ako na dito sa nati, ano? Yung isang bibi, nabisa na. Ah! What the... Ay! Staff is tantrum. Find a way to the staff room. Ay! Sinabi ko ba umalis ka dyan? Good baby. Kailangan mo na... Yung brother mo, nagalit na. Alright. Kailangan kita bisan muna kasi bawat mo na. Nabis? Ay, hindi kita mabisan. Bawa mo na! Okay, you know what? Sama mo na lang ako, baby. Sama mo na lang ako. Baka may magic powers ka rin kasi. Ay. So, mahal mo ako. Baby? Baby, samahan mo ako. Baby, ikaw yung guard dito. Pag meron sa likod ko may magano, ikaw yung guard, ah. Okay, paano ko ba ito open? Where's the... Ano ba? Crowbar. Okay. Keep on a lookout, ha? Diyan ka lang. Tingnan mo kung may something dyan. Okay. Climb up. Okay. Ano to? They're watching. Who's watching me? Huh? Who's watching me? What the heck? Long live the king. Long live the king. What? Who's? I'm worthy. I'm worthy. Bear. I'm royalty. The crown. I am meant to rule. I'm meant to rule. Sino yan? This is his kingdom. Okay, I know natin yan basahin. Okay, parang dito na tayo. Hindi pa pala. Woo! Okay. Nahulog tayo. Baby, paano kang lumaki ng ganyan? Wake up! What happened? Hello? End your shift. Click out.
Oh, did you not get a sticker? Strange. That only happens to incompetent employees. Sleeping on the job means unpaid overtime. Deliver the package.
Wait. Toaster 4,000? Wait. Prequel to na game? Ay, prequel to na siya na act? So this is a prequel. Hindi siya like Huh? Oo nga, prequel siya. Yung ano siya, like it takes place. So this is before na ano yung mga nangyari na sa chapters, yung sa babysitting at saka yung Pigman. Tsaka yung next din yung sila Newt, yung alam si Newt. So ito ay prequel. Akala ko kasi ito parang something new. Ring the doorbell.
Welcome to Crown Childcare. Nurturing growth every day.
What's the same pa rin yung sinasabi niya. Start your shift. Clock in.
Good morning, 225. We've had a new arrival. The perfect day for a
Luna, I don't want this. Uy, sabi ko lang safe. Paano nagkaisa tayo? Paano may isa tayong baby? Like guys, mag-smile naman kayo Okay, spin kita. Yeah. No. Ikaw. Gusto mo? Para ba to? Guys, maglaro. Okay, laro kayo. Woohoo! Alright. Ooh, ice cream. Sino gusto na ice cream? Oh, ito siguro ang new baby.
Was that entirely necessary? Get it down so we can continue with the festivities.
Woohoo! There you go. Di kayo happy? Lagay kayo dyan. Di kayo happy? Place the baby. Woohoo! There. Alright. So, paano ko to siya makuha? Itong plane na to. Oh, guys! Ice cream! Ah.
Per child. Woohoo! Could not have been clearer. Funfair Day is cancelled. That plane was company property. A beloved toy. Take that overfed child to the changing room now.
Okay. What the frick? Oh! What is this? Gago, pinicturean ako.
No hesitating, 225.
Where the spy? Huh? Hey! No! No! Oh! Hey, no! What the What? Baby! Gamitin mo yung magic powers mo! Bitin mo! Bitin mo! Hinahack niya na! Woo! Hinahack niya na yung ating database! Oh my... Ano mang gawin? What? Ah, great idea, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Ah! Sino pa? Sino pa gusto? Dito? Wala dito. Go. I see something. La. Okay, good. I see something. Dito. Dito. Pasan na siya? Di going. Up. So, tatlo natin patay, no? Tatlo na. No! No!
Outstanding work. Only one left.
No! Ay, thank you guys! Okay, good. Nag-ano sila sa baba. Alright. Baka hindi makuha. Ay, good idea. Diyan sa loob? C3. Get it! Bang!
Very impressive, 225. Perhaps we misjudged you. Still, a brief evaluation is required.
Dali lang.
Log on to the computer.
Okay. What emotion stirs? I don't know. What does it demand? Relation. Ano ito? Where does this settle? My soul. What does this reveal? I flattered. I disobeyed. I flattered? Hindi ko alam. Hey! I'm confused. What sheep? Wait. Ay! Okay, ano yun sa kanina? Relation. My soul. I flattered. You are a sad yellow sheep. Okay. What the frick is this? Oh my god.
An eventful and tiring day. Tuck all three into bed before you clock out.
Okay. Ano yun? Gago. Okay. Baby, they sleep. Oh. Baby one here. Okay. Asan yung isa? Asan yung isa? Ay. Dito ka lang cute. Okay.
In recognition of your efforts
Okay.
today, a special sticker has been awarded. Such promise.
Okay.
You could see the tree.
Anong tree? Ano bang tree? Galit na ako. Only see the tree. Di ko alam yung... Okay, go home.
Lockdown is still in effect. Please take a seat. A member of staff will be
Ay.
with you shortly.
Okay, member of staff, sit down. Oh my gosh, ang jump scare, sino yun? Okay. Odin, revelation. I have seeked the tree. It has taken a root in me. I've taken a root in me. What is that? Hello? Who are you?
Welcome to Crown Childcare. Lockdown has been in effect for unknown number.
Wait. Answer the phone.
I just got home and your sitter has walked out. They were supposed to feed him. He needs a... What is he doing out of bed? Just now. Send someone right away.
What? What ba? Okay, sanay lang yung ano ko headset ko. Okay, science sitter. 1895. What? Glitch na yon. Find the babies.
225 remains blind. Forget them. All has fallen into place.
Baby, where's your brothers? Asan yung iba? Ba't ikaw lang mag-isa dito? Ay, sorry. Asan yung iba? Hello? Ito naman, nakatulog. Dang! Kakain-kain ng ice cream, grabe. Okay. Ito siya na lang. Where's the other baby? Wala dito. Asan yung isang baby? Okay, doon na yung isang baby doon. Switch me, so dito siya sa nati. Baby, hindi ko na alam. Anong gagawin sa inyo talaga? Guys! Protect me! Wait. Piling ko nagplano kayo dito, no? May planohan kayo, no? Ba't nyo ako ditrap dito? Mali. Piling ko pinanuhan nyo to, guys. Pinanuhan talaga niya to, guys. Piling ko talaga. Okay. My gosh. Ibis! Huh? The routine. Nangyari.
Good morning, 225. Let's
What
check in and
the
begin your
frick?
shift. That's not your card, 225.
Huh? Ano? Ano dito?
Insert your card into the machine. It couldn't be simpler.
Ito. Wait, what? Ang late naman yan ah.
Failure to block in
Oh,
your civilization.
Bell! Oh my god, oh my god.
You can't do anything right.
No! No! Oh my gosh. This growth. Oh my gosh.
Welcome to Crown Childcare. Nurturing growth every day.
Every day. Every day.
What is this? Ba't ang late niya? Ay. Ha? Okay. Oh my gosh.
Crown Childcare
His growth demands everything.
demands everything.
Parang every time itong ating player parang naging insane na siya talaga. Void lang siya. Oh. Put the mask? What is this? Your reflection? Gago! Wait, ba't lumalaki na?
The king's tree at last.
Ha? 3? Yan yung 3? Bulok man yan? Alright, dispatch the baby label. O, ba't tumihintay sila dito? Yan ka na.
Dispatch failed. Lockdown is still in effect. We appreciate your patience.
Check the email. Oh my gosh! Look, your dispatch attempt has failed due to failure. Sending each child into the world help us grow. What the freak? Yo! Yung brother nyo naging Okay. Bahala sa inyo dyan. Hello? Okay. What is this? Ew! Achievement unlock. Ew, gross. Oh, toto talaga. Ew, gross talaga yan. George. George. Ida. Ano kaya to? Okay, so ito flower power. Tapos core developer into a seed. Then magkano baby, naging matured, yan matured. Soul hosted growth the tree roots. Okay. Oh my! So ganyan siya kaliit. Tapos lumaki siya lagyan. Tapos, oh my gosh. Ano yan? Ano pangalan yan? Regent to royalty. Sorry. Nabusog ako. Doon ka na labat. Approve your email. What is your first name? Ano to? Yes. Admin request. Charges and lockdown. What the frick?
Lockdown has been lifted. Crown Childcare thanks you for your patience.
What the heck? Okay. What? Asan na tayo? Yo, what the heck is this place? Yo! Yo! It's an eyeball!
Your eyes are open, 225.
Huh?
Step forward and join us.
Hala, para siyang cold. Pero may ano lang ganyan. What the heck is happening? Guys, kayo pala yung nagja-jumpscare sa akin nun. So siguro ito yung mga previews na nag-work sa child care. Naging silang cults. Sino naman yan?
At last, 225 has awakened and joined us on the yellow path. My devoted
What are you doing there?
turns his gaze upon you. From his tree came his children.
Bakit nandyan yung black cat? Anong ginagawa niya dyan?
Fed their hunger. Now its roots, strengthened by their feast, bring him to our world. Rejoice, Dr. Arkham. The last remaining seeker is crushed. The cat gained his trust and led a child to his refuge. Now the world's door has been cast open.
What the frick is this?
Alone, adrift in ruin.
Okay, the doctor, yung si...
Nothing will stand against us.
What did you si Black Cat?
Will deny his growth. Nothing will silence his children. Soon, the king arrives.
Huh? What is epilogue? Okay.
We're leaving. We are leaving. Okay.
No! No!
Get on. This whole place is... That's not this place, you monstrous yellow...
Get...
giant.
Alis ka, baby! Alis!
Oh,
Go away!
Get on. Come on.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
I'm so sorry.
Youth!
I'll fix this. It was the cat. It must have been. She was the only... I need to get out of here. I feel yellow.
So yung cat is a bit... Betray tayo!
Get back. Get back. Come on. We'll stop her. She doesn't know about you. Ready? We're gonna end this.
Oh my gosh! What the heck is... Thank you for playing. There's more to come? The baby in yellow will return on Final Madness. Guys, thank you for watching this sa ating pag-play ng Act 4. The story is so good. Itong act na to is one of the most hindi ko lang, it was just like the best act na nalaro ko. At grabe, I can wait guys sa next act kasi this is really exciting. So guys, kung enjoy nyo guys ang video guys, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe for more videos. Naman na-enjoy nyo ating paglaro dito sa Baby in Yellow, at see you guys in the next video. Peace.